Hey there, little snowflakes. It's me, More Than Girl, aka Sydney, and it has been a minute, hasn't it? So I bought a durian. I bought it frozen, because that's the only way they came in the store I went to. And I've never had it before, so I'm going to try it on camera and see what the big fuss is about. My father would not let me open it in the house because he was afraid it would stink up the place. But honestly, it doesn't smell that bad. Actually, now that I think about it, it kind of smells like this antibiotic medicine I took for strep throat once. Is that good or bad? Anyway, the texture, if not the taste, it's windy out here. It's probably affected by the fact that it was frozen. So, fresh ones are probably better. And before I begin, I would like to thank, if not blame, Freelee the Banana Girl for encouraging me to finally try durian. So, let's see what happens, shall we? So, I watched a guy open one, and he just sort of ripped it open. Ugh. Like that, I guess. Ow, it's pointy. So, yeah. That's what it looks like inside. It's really squishy. Look at it. Ew. It doesn't smell bad. I mean, it smells kind of weird, but not bad. Okay, so the first time I saw someone trying durian, it was like Bizarre Foods with Andrew Zimmerman, whatever his name is. And like, he like barfed, right? He couldn't stand it. And he said it smelled, really bad, but it doesn't. Actually, weirdly, it does smell like this liquid antibiotic that I had to take one time, which didn't taste bad. It was one of the best tasting medicines I've ever had. So, let's dig one of these squishy things out. Blob. See, you can definitely see, like, here the texture is affected by it being frozen. It's not bad. It kind of tastes like mango-ish. I think perhaps the texture, again, this was frozen, so the texture might be way off. The texture that gets to people, there is like a slight sort of rotteny flavor, but it's also kind of mango-y flavored. It's like you get the sweetness at first on the tip of your tongue, but then like on the back and the sides of your tongue, it's that kind of gross flavor that I guess people don't like. I mean, I wouldn't buy it again. I'd like to try it fresh, but it's not so disgusting that I won't eat it, you know? I definitely don't see what people like freak out and barf about. You know? See, the texture was kind of a little at first. But it's not bad. It's growing on me. And I did hear you can eat the seeds, that you can like boil them, and they taste sort of like potato. I don't know. I watched a video like right before I made this. Or you can eat that like inside part. Doesn't really taste like much. The inside of the seed kind of has the texture of a coconut, kind of like a older than a young coconut that's like all jelly, but younger than a mature coconut that's all crunchy. It definitely is weird, but not gross. I can see why people like it, and I can see why people don't. Yeah, it's not bad. I definitely want to try it fresh, but I don't think they import fresh durian here. Does anyone know if you can grow durian in Florida? I know you can grow jackfruit here. Excuse the garbage truck in the background. I hear you can also roast the seeds. Don't know if I want to try it though. It might make a difference it being frozen. Okay, so we got another side here. And another side here. It's really pointy. Oh dude, there's another one. There's another one over here. Look at it. Blip, blip. It's really squishy. I want to save some so my dad can try it, and I'm totally gonna film him trying it. Maybe I'll eat this one. It's better than the natto, right? I couldn't even finish that. But it's definitely got a funk that probably most people are like, ugh, and that's the only thing they can taste. And I'm sure a lot of people probably think they're not going to like it because, I don't know, they heard it was gross. I heard that the smell puts people off, but honestly, it doesn't smell bad at all, really. It's so squishy though. Honestly, if I show my dad trying this, it probably will be the texture that throws him off, I guess. He doesn't like squishy things. Like peas. He won't eat peas. Like canned peas. He'll eat fresh peas, I think. Okay, well, that's my bit. I'm gonna save this so that my dad can try it. So, I'll see you later when he gets home. It's not the cleanest of fruits. Goodbye. So my dad totally chickened out and would not try the durian because it just stank so badly. My mom tried a tiny, this big of a piece, which is funny because my mom usually is like, ew, no, I won't do it. And she did almost like gag a little bit. Not when she ate it, but when she saw how squishy it was, she almost gagged. She was like, oh no, I'm not gonna eat that. But then she actually tried it, and my dad totally chickened out. So he's a big old baby, and he just like kept saying how much it stank. He's like, you can't smell that? And I'm like, yeah, I can smell it. It just doesn't stink that bad, guy. Come on. So I ate half of the durian, and then turned the other half into big old fluff pancakes. Yes, I found a recipe for vegan banana pancakes, and then I just replaced the mashed banana with pureed durian. They look good, they smell good. I don't know if I'm disgusting or a genius. Let me know in the comments. I hope that you enjoyed this video, or at the very least did not completely hate it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and most importantly, stay special, little snowflakes. Bye! I got durian pancake here, and I eat pancakes weirdly. I cut them up and I dip them in syrup instead of just putting syrup on them. So let's see. First, it's really fluffy. Put some syrup. Yes, 'tis quite good. I am a genius for making durian pancake, though I'm sure someone's made them before.